Hello students, welcome you all in Rishikul online classes. Dear student, in this video we will discuss part 2nd, the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan of lesson 2, the sound of music from Bihai book of class 9th. Student, in this part you get to know about a true patriot and legendary musician of India, who is Ustad Bismillah Khan. And this part also encourages you to think about the rich and cultural heritage of Indian music and our musical instrument. So let's start this part. See the first stanza. Emperor Aurangzeb banned the playing of a musical instrument called pungi in the royal residence, for it had a shrill, unpleasant sound. Pungi became the generic name for reeded noisemakers. Few had thought that it would one day be revived. A barber of a family of professional musicians who had access to the royal palace decided to improve the tonal quality of the pungi. He chose a pipe with a natural hollow stem that was longer and broader than the pungi and made 7 holes on the body of the pipe. First, look at the word meaning. Banned means prohibited, to stop. Shrill means very sharp. Unpleasant means something that you dislike. Generic name means a name given to a class or group as a whole. Reeded means wind instrument, which have reeds like the flute and the clarinet, etc. Revived means brought back to life. Tonal quality means sound. Hollow means empty from inside. So, student, a musical instrument called pungi was completely banned in the royal court by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb because it had a very sharp and unpleasant sound. After that, pungi became the group name for all reeded noisemaker, means instrument which have reed or pipe like flute, etc. At that time, no one can believe that it would be bring back in use after some changes. But a barber did that work. A barber from a family of professional musicians decided to improve the sound quality of pungi. So he chose a pipe longer and broader than the pungi and made 7 holes in it. See the next lines. When he played on it, closing and opening some of these holes, soft and melodious sound were produced. He played the instrument before royalty, and everyone was impressed. The instrument, so different from the pungi, had to be given a new name. As the story goes, since it was first played in the Shah's chamber and was played by a nai, the instrument was named the Shehnai. So after changes, when the barber played on it, a very soft and sweet sound produced through this instrument. He played this instrument before royals people in the court, and all were very impressed and happy with this instrument. This instrument was different from pungi, so they decided to give it a new name, a different name. And how it was named? As the story goes, it was given the name Shehnai because it was first played in the Shah's court and played by a nai, means barber. So from Shah's plus nai, it got its name Shehnai. At that time, the king of Mughals called Shah. So first it was played in the Shah's court and played by a nai. So that's why it got its name Shehnai. So student, this is all about this lecture. We will discuss rest of the part in our next lecture. Till then, read this paragraph again and learn the difficult word meaning. Thank you.